Often, we think of Memorial Day as a day to spend time with your family or go on a picnic. And while those are great things to do on this day, it's also important to know that Memorial Day is a day to remember those that have lost their lives in active duty. After World War I, red poppies became a symbol of remembrance for those that were lost. For today's maker activity, we will learn how to make a red poppy pin that you can wear to honor these heroes. Here are the materials you will need: red tissue paper, scissors, masking tape, glue, scrap cardboard. Mine is from an old shoebox that was red, which works out great for this, a black permanent marker, and a safety pin. Begin by folding the tissue paper so that you have multiple layers. I found this tissue paper with my holiday wrapping materials. It was used and wrinkly, but that's okay for this project. Next, use the marker to draw the shape of flower petals on the paper. Use the scissors to cut out the petals along the lines. Having multiple layers will allow you to make a lot of petals with only a few cuts. Cutting off the fold at the bottom will help to separate each of the petals. Use the marker to draw a circle on the cardboard. This will be the base for your pin. Also, draw a smaller circle that will be the center of the flower. Use the scissors to cut out both the large and the small circle. Use the black marker to color in the smaller circle. Now we can start assembling the flower. Squeeze some glue on the larger cardboard circle. I'm going to use the red side so that it blends in with the red petals. If you would like, you can color your cardboard red with a marker or a crayon. Begin placing the petals on the cardboard. Add more glue for each of the layers of petals. Once your flower has the number of petals you would like, you can glue the smaller cardboard circle that we colored black into the center. This will make it really look like a poppy flower. Turn your flower over to attach the safety pin. Use masking tape to secure the pin to the flower. Carefully open up the pin, making sure not to poke yourself. It works best to have the part of the pin with the clasp taped to the flower. Close the pin and make sure the tape is secure. You can use the marker to write something special on the back of your pin. It could be the name of someone from your community that fought in a war, or a message to others to remember the sacrifices that were made. You can wear your pin on Memorial Day or give it away to someone special. You will often see people wearing red poppies on this important holiday. If you would like to learn more about how these flowers have come to be a symbol of remembrance, you can read the book The Poppy Lady, written by Barbara Elizabeth Walsh with paintings by Lane Johnson. Happy Memorial Day, and thank you to the great heroes of our country. If you are interested in learning more, be sure to check out more videos and posts available on the Science Center of Iowa's website, Facebook, and Twitter pages, helping you go beyond with SCI.